Hey nerds, Jess here. In this video, I'm going to go over a massive update that's been taking over the Google Business Forums. That's been shutting down a lot of Google Business profiles, and that is Google Business is suspending profiles that allow their social media links to act as their website. So as you can see, this is like current, up to the date. These are coming in like every 10, 30 minutes, it seems like. But there was an update that was pushed out in August that goes over how to manage social media links within your Google Business profile. And through that, over the last month, what I found is there was an update made to this page for guidelines to representing your Google Business profile correctly. And if I go down into website and phone, what you'll see is you cannot provide phone numbers or URLs that redirect or refer users to landing pages or phone numbers that are other than your actual businesses. So they don't want like forwarding or anything like that, where like, if you have a number that's like, hey, click 1 for this business, 2 for that business, they don't want that. They're suspending business pages that do that, and also including pages created on social media websites. So this is huge. This has been a massive update. A lot of people have been using their Facebook or other profiles as their website link in their Google Business profile, and that is not allowed anymore. So you want to make sure that either you get a website and you update that link, or you take out that link entirely and you manage your social media links in the correct the social media link area. So super quick update. I hope that helps you. And if you're suspended, you can get reapply and everything. I'm going to leave the links down below with these articles, as well as the link you need to click of after you update your Google Business profile, how you can resubmit it so that you can get it reinstated. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below, and I hope you have a great day.